This is the top cover. We're gonna put this through the dome, through the hole,
yep,
and then let it just fall down.
and just.
And
hopefully it's that easy.
We'll find out. Let's find out together.
Yay.
Okay, instructions say locate the fabric liner facing. It's a small bundle of ivory colored fabric. Note that the liner facing is not sewn to the insulation as with the side cover insulation, and that is all one continuous cone-shaped piece that is folded. So coming up with the sidewall, it's going to be insulation and fabric in one. It sounds like that. Okay, so I gotta go way the heck up there and drape this thing over, and you're gonna have the smaller ladder and go around the edges and make sure it's even.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this. Rip yourself in the eye?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
Right in the eyeball?
Yeah.
Okay, this top cover is what everybody will see when they see our yurt. It's also waterproof.
Yeah.
And it's going to kind of be the packaging that holds the whole yurt together. It's really heavy.
On the top, yeah.
I mean, it looks like nothing. It looks like a piece of just rubber, but it's very heavy.
It's very thick and yeah, it's heavy.
And dense.
Very dense.
And it's flexible, so it kind of moves and melts in your arms, you know? I'm probably going to get a lot of comments for how I get this up on the roof, and I apologize to Pacific Yurts if it's not by the book, but the only goal is to stay safe. Number one. Number two, get it in position. Okay, so that being said, let's see what we can do. Okay, so what are you doing?
I'm just standing behind you holding the tail up on the ladder.
Are you safe or what?
Yes, I'm safe.
Okay.
Just you focus on you.
Oh man.
And just getting it up over that lip.
I don't think this is gonna happen. I cannot safely get up on top of this ladder. Am I on the, is there 2 steps to go or what?
Yeah, there's 2.
I can't do that.
Okay.
Because to get up on that, I have to always have a hand and I can't see anything.
Okay.
Epic fail. Okay, it wasn't an epic fail. The successful part is me carrying the top cover on my head. Again, this is not by the book, this is just what I'm doing. I don't feel comfortable getting up on the ladder past the second to last step with that heavy of a object on my head. And I don't think the camera is doing justice to how heavy the top cover is. It's very heavy. So Nicole and I are making a makeshift scaffolding. We took all the pallets we have, we took like 8 of them, and we're doing an 8 pallet high base, put the ladder on top of there so it's nice and rooted and I don't have to go so high up on the ladder. So I can put the top cover on my head, walk it up the ladder to a comfortable step, throw it over the top, and get done safely. Make sure none of these are wobbly.
Let me stand on first. Is it secure?
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay, good.
You want to pick up the tail?
Not yet. Okay.
Picking up the tail. How you feeling?
Fine.
Okay.
Good. Here. No, that's gonna tear the shit.
No, there's a hook on it.
Okay. Okay, stop right there. Good job. Now I gotta do half first, and then flip it over to the other half. There you go, beast woman. There you go.
Ah! Oh my god.
Here, I'm gonna keep it tight because
Woo! Securing the top cover.
yes, with the twist lock shanks.
It's hard to see you through the screen door.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Let's move the camera out here where they can see clearly.
I can see like this.
You can hang out the window.
This is better. Oh hey.
Hey. So the top cover has a cutout that's perfectly sized for the French doors, and there's grommets in here, and it allows me to put these little twist shank hardware pieces in these grommets and fasten it to the door. So we have a nice, tight, and might I say classy looking seal.